All right, welcome. This is your homework solution for Thursday, September 3rd. You're going to tell whether these triangles are similar by solving for the missing angle measurement in each triangle. What do I mean by missing angle measurement? Okay, take a look. You see the first one? You see how this is missing? X is missing for this triangle, and Y is missing for this triangle. So let's solve for this triangle first, right here. Okay? How do we do that? We're going to solve for X. How do we do that? We set up the equation. What is the equation here? We have interior angles, and we know that the total interior angles add up to 180. Remember this from, I think it's Tuesday's homework. Angle A on the inside plus angle B on the inside plus angle C on the inside has to be equal to 180. Okay, so there you go. 39 plus 34 plus x equals to 180. Combine like terms, 39 plus 34 is 73. Subtract 73 to both sides because this should now cancel. You get x equal to 107. So x here is 107. Let's solve for y. Again, the total angles inside a triangle equals to 180. So 34 plus y plus 39 equals to 180. Combine like terms, 39 plus 34 is 73. Subtract 73 to both sides, you're going to see how this should cancel out. You get y equals to 107. Okay, now let's just write out the angles. The first triangle, the angles are 39, 34, and you got 107. The second one, it was 34, 39, and 107. Do you see here, since all the angles here are the same values, the triangles are similar. 2. Same thing here. You're going to see if it is similar, so you would need to know all the angles. But this is missing, and this is missing, so we have to solve for it first. So let's solve for x. We know that the total sum inside a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So x plus 36 plus 72 is equal to 180. 36 plus 72, that gets you 108. Subtract 108 to both sides. You should get x equals to 72. Let's solve for y. It should be y plus 72 plus 33 equals to 180. 33 plus 72 are like terms, so you combine them. That gets you 105. You're trying to solve for y, so you're going to subtract 105 to both sides. You get y equals to 75. Here, the first triangle, 36, 72, and x is 72. So this should be 72, 72, 36. The second one, okay, it was 72, 33, and 75. Are these two angles the same? No. Since all the angles are not the same value, you see this has a 36. This one has a 36. This has a 33. Okay, this has a 72. This has a 75. They're not the same. Since all the angles are not the same value, you would say that the triangles are not similar. 3. Again, you're going to see if these triangles are similar or not by finding the missing angle. So, what are the missing angles? I see an x here that is missing. I see a y here that is missing. So, we got to set up an equation to solve for it. We know that the interior angle sum is equal to 180. So, let's do that. So let's solve for x. So 64 plus 85 plus x equals to 180. Combining like terms, 64 plus 85 is 149. Subtract 149 to both sides. You should see some cancellations occur. You get an a left on the left-hand side. 180 minus 149 is 31. Solving for y. It is y plus 26 plus 85 because these are the angles on the inside. That equals to 180. 26 plus 85 becomes 111. Subtract 111 to both sides. This should cancel out. You get y equals to 69. Let's just write out all the angles here. Angle 1. Let's write out all the angles for the triangles. The first triangle angles are 64, 65, and the new one was 31. Here you go. Second one, 26, 85, and the new one was 69. Second triangle, these are the angles. Okay, do these match? 31, is there a 31 here? Nope. So these don't even match. So you would say since all the angles are not the same value, the triangles are not similar. They have to be all the same angle for it to be similar. This one isn't. So these triangles are not similar. 4. Okay. I'm going to have to repeat myself. Here you go. That's your missing angle. That is your missing angle. And we have to figure out how to find the missing angle. Okay. Let's solve for x. We know that the total sum inside a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So x plus 48 plus 81 will equal to 180 degrees. Combining like terms, 48 plus 81 becomes 129. Subtract 129 on both sides. Okay, you should see some cancellations occur. You get x equals to 51. Solving for y. 51 plus 48 plus y equals to 180. Combining like terms, 48 plus 51 gets you 99. Subtract 99 on both sides, you see some cancellation occurs. You get y equals to 81. Let's just write out the angles for both triangles. The first one, 81, 48, and the x was 51. There you go. Second one, second triangle, 48, 51, and y was 81. So compare it, 48 and 48, perfect. 51, 51, perfect. 81, 81, perfect. It seems like all the angles are there. So we would say, since all the angles are the same value, you would say that the triangles are similar. And there you go. Those are all your homework solutions for Thursday.